Top 5 Best Drywall Lifts. Number 5. Redline Professional 11 Feet Drywall Lift. The Redline Professional 11 Feet Drywall Lift is a robust and well-built tool designed for professionals who demand durability and reliability. With an 11-foot maximum lifting height and a wide cradle that accommodates sheets up to 4 by 16 feet, this lift is ready to tackle a variety of drywall installation projects. One of the key features of this drywall lift is its heavy-duty construction. It is built with high-quality steel and reinforced with welding, ensuring that it can handle the demands of the job site. The powder-coated finish adds an extra layer of protection against rust and corrosion. Assembly is quick and easy, thanks to the tool-free design. The single-stage winch handle allows for effortless lifting and lowering of drywall sheets, and the lift can support up to 150 pounds of material. Lockable caster wheels provide stability during operation and make it easy to move the lift around the job site. The Redline Professional 11 Feet Drywall Lift is a reliable choice for professionals who require a durable and versatile tool for their drywall installation projects. Its construction quality and large cradle size make it well suited for handling a wide range of sheet sizes and working at various heights. Coming in number 4. STKUSA 11 Feet Drywall Rolling Lifter. The STKUSA 11 Feet Drywall Rolling Lifter is a compact and efficient drywall lift designed for convenience and mobility. This lift is an excellent choice for those who need a reliable tool for residential or light commercial drywall installation projects. One of the standout features of this drywall lift is its compact and portable design. It can be easily transported in the back of a standard vehicle, making it a great choice for contractors who frequently move between job sites. Despite its smaller size, it still offers an impressive 11-foot maximum lifting height. The STKUSA drywall lift features a sturdy steel frame with a powder-coated finish for durability and corrosion resistance. The frame is designed to be lightweight while maintaining strength, and the lift can support up to 150 pounds of drywall. Setting up and operating this drywall lift is a breeze. The single-stage winch handle allows for easy lifting and lowering of drywall sheets, and the caster wheels ensure smooth maneuverability. While it may not have the largest cradle size on the market, it is sufficient for standard 4 by 8 foot sheets and many common drywall sizes. The STKUSA 11 Feet Drywall Rolling Lifter is a practical choice for contractors and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize portability and ease of use. Its compact design, coupled with its reasonable price, makes it a valuable addition to any drywall installation toolkit. Coming in number 3. Idealchoiceproduct 16 Feet Drywall Lift. If you're in need of a drywall lift that can handle larger sheets and reach greater heights, the Idealchoiceproduct 16 Feet Drywall Lift is an excellent choice. With a maximum lifting height of 16 feet and a cradle width of 48 inches, this lift is well suited for handling longer and wider drywall sheets. Durability is a key feature of this drywall lift. Its frame is constructed from high-quality steel, ensuring it can withstand heavy use and tough job site conditions. The powder-coated finish not only enhances its longevity but also provides resistance to corrosion. The assembly process is straightforward and tool-free, allowing you to set up the lift quickly and get to work. The single-stage winch handle enables easy lifting and lowering of drywall sheets, and it is designed for comfortable operation. The lift's capacity of 150 pounds is sufficient for standard 4 by 8 foot sheets, but its larger cradle size makes it versatile enough to handle more extensive projects. Maneuverability is made easy with the lockable caster wheels, and the lift can be easily transported between job sites. The Idealchoiceproduct 16 Feet Drywall Lift is a reliable option for those in need of a taller reach and wider cradle size, making it ideal for professionals tackling a variety of drywall installation tasks. Coming in number 2. GypTool Drywall Lift Panel Jack Hoist. The GypTool Drywall Lift Panel Jack Hoist is a versatile and robust tool designed to simplify drywall installation tasks. It is a favorite among contractors and DIYers due to its durability, ease of use, and exceptional features. This drywall lift is designed to handle sheets of various sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. It has a maximum reach of 11 feet, which is ample for most applications. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of the job site and offers long-lasting performance. What sets the GypTool drywall lift apart is its innovative design, which allows it to function as both a lift and a panel jack hoist. This dual functionality provides added versatility. It can be used to lift drywall sheets into position as well as to hold them in place for fastening. The lift's cradle extends to a width of 36 inches, accommodating sheets up to 4 by 16 feet. The assembly and operation of this drywall lift are straightforward. It features a single-stage winch handle that allows you to raise and lower the drywall with ease. The lockable caster wheels ensure stability during operation, while the foldable design makes storage and transport convenient. The GypTool drywall lift panel jack hoist is a durable and multifunctional tool that is suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its ability to function as both a lift and a panel jack hoist sets it apart as a versatile choice for various drywall installation tasks. Coming in number 1. Best Choice Products 11 Feet Drywall Lift. The Best Choice Products 11 Feet Drywall Lift is a reliable and cost-effective option for those looking to handle drywall installation projects with ease. This lift boasts a maximum lifting height of 11 feet, which is sufficient for most residential and light commercial applications. It is designed with user convenience in mind and comes equipped with features that make it easy to use. One of the standout features of this drywall lift is its sturdy and durable construction. The frame is made of high-quality steel, ensuring that it can withstand the demands of heavy-duty use. It also has a powder-coated finish that enhances its durability and resistance to corrosion. The Best Choice Products drywall lift is equipped with 3 4-inch caster wheels, allowing for easy maneuverability, even on rough or uneven surfaces. These wheels are lockable, providing stability and safety during operation. The lift can support up to 150 pounds of drywall, making it suitable for standard 4 by 8 foot sheets. Setting up the lift is a breeze, thanks to the tool-free assembly. It features a quick and easy single-stage winch handle that allows you to raise and lower the drywall effortlessly. The winch handle also has an ergonomic design for comfortable operation. Additionally, the lift's cradle extends to a width of 48 inches, making it compatible with a variety of drywall sizes. Overall, the Best Choice Products 11 Feet Drywall Lift offers a great balance of affordability, quality, and functionality. It is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for a reliable drywall lift without breaking the bank.